Somerville, South Carolina. Piper the cat is stuck in a pine tree, 80 feet up. Worse, she's been there 9 days. Rodney and Scotty Colvin feel helpless to save their beloved pet.
Of course, we talked to her. She wouldn't come down, and we'd just stay up in those top branches, meow at us.
We tried everything we could that Sunday, and when it didn't work that Sunday night, Rodney and I had, kind of said, we think maybe this is it.
Piper is weak and running out of time. A local tree trimmer bravely volunteers to make the dangerous rescue.
Piper, he's coming to help you, honey.
The tree service guy started climbing up the tree, and as he was getting up further into the tree, of course, the kitty cat's getting scared and scared, so she started moving out to the very far end of the branch.
Then, a terrifying sight. Piper falls 8 stories to the ground.
She got closer and closer to the edge, and you heard it snap, and it was just agonizing.
Scotty screams for Rodney to catch Piper.
And as she come tumbling down, my wife said, "Grab her." I'm thinking to myself, grab her with 20 claws coming at me?
It's too late.
She was coming down feet first, and unfortunately hit another branch on the way down.
Incredibly, the tough little kitty flips to her feet and runs away. Piper is reunited with her loving owners. Curiosity nearly killed this cat. Lucky for Piper, she still has 8 lives to go.